Yep, there it is.
I did it wrong.
I'm like, yeah, no.
No.
He was, oh, I'm not ready.
No.
Guys, I made it to Thomas's house, and instead of texting him or honking the horn and let him know I'm here, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Looks like I'm lighting a church candle. Here. Towers is coming back home, so we're gonna give him a good spook when he walks in. Unless the little corner.
Dude, what's going on, buddy?
How you been?
Good, man. Dude, I've been gone for 2 months and this is what he's doing.
Shut up.
What's the scene?
Alice in the Wonderland.
He just gave 2 completely. Juliet, how art thou this evening? Oh, Romeo. My beloved Romeo. Yes, Juliet, it's me. Scene. 1 out of 10, how was it?
0.
That was, no, 1 out of 10. It doesn't go to 0.
Oh.
0.
Rumor has it, Towers has a new boyfriend.
Oh, buddy! Give me some. Yeah.
I'm kidding, guys. Towers has a new girlfriend.
Oh, give me that back.
She's a twirler.
She flicks the flag sometimes.
No, she's not a flag line.
She flicks the bean sometimes.
Okay, so is that in your standards or?
Above standard.
He told me she doesn't flick it hard enough.
Yeah. What else? Anything else happen at college? Anything else funny?
I have friends.
Oh, okay. No, we're not making jokes here. Dude, watch this.
Oh, okay. Oh. Alright.
All right, you want to hit?
No.
Redneck.
It was horrible. Yeah, that's what I did when I shot.
Yeah. You know, at homecoming, your sister looked just like you almost hit the cat.
Like me?
Yeah, she literally looked just like you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
We'll go with that one.
Yeah, okay.
Fuck off.
Wait, is that her against her or her sister?
Why is this water?
Because it's
Wait,
piss.
she looked like me.
Give me the ball, nearly back.
McKenna, hey, McKenna's going for a nasty shot.
You hit me in the back of the head. You're kissing a pussy.
Okay.
This is adorable. Oh, look at him. I want to take him home.
Can you catch me a chunk?
Oh my god, you look pissed.
I wasn't happy to be there.
Like graduation.
Feed it to her with your mouth. Feed it to her
Share
with
the
your mouth.
food.
Hi guys, I'm Cheyenne and I have a YouTube channel called Livin' Shy, and we just created it like a month ago. So we're still working on getting more subscribers, and I'd really appreciate it if you guys would go and subscribe. So thanks.
Her channel is going to be linked below, so go subscribe like she said. Thanks for watching, Cheyenne. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The merch is still out, so go get it now. Link in the description below, and we'll see you next week.
If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. So won't you ride with me, see where this